Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm holding you here. In this video today, I'm gonna show you an easy way to clone yourself in a video. And I I show you how the way to use Filmora 11 to edit your cloning video today. And let's begin. So guys, before you start to shoot your video, so first of all you need to prepare your content. You can write down it on your paper, your content, what you have to do, because you have to acting like you are talking yourself during the time you are shooting, so that you need to prepare to make it smoothly and without a junkie. And secondly, you have to choose steady surface and quiet position without the people moving or animal moving. That's good for your shots. And that's all you have to remember before you start to shooting your video. And then you bring them on to the Filmora editing software and edit. So now I have already jumped into the Filmora interface. So you see that I have the wrap and above my two full text into the timeline, and then here I have to cut some basic that I don't need in my video. So now I just edit it here in the first my first full text, and you see that here, and that you see when right here I pretended I talk to myself without anybody here. So then with the second and I lock it and I go to the second track like this. And now when I talk and I acting like I'm a surprise, when another myself appearing like this, and then I just put the second track right here, and I go to the effect. And I choose the immersion mask, and I put it in the second track like this. And now I double click and I go to the effect, to the here, this one, and now with the X I make it about I just stretch it thick like this. You see that? Fit like this. And now you see I have duplicated myself. Yeah, and with A I just let them here, and Y and feather and hide. That's okay. That's easy to done. And now you just take a look. Yes, you see that? I aspiring that certainly, and another myself on the right of my screen. It's really surprised that I write my content before, and I imagine it in myself before I shoot in this video. And you have to do that if you want to make a cloning video that smoothly and without junky and save your time, right? So that easy way. And now you can edit it fit with what you want. And here I cut another part that I don't need it, right? So at any video you can put some effect or element or shadow effect if you want, but here I think that's okay. And it's just in this video today I'm just gonna share with you how to clone yourself without effect, just using a little bit trick here. And thank you very much guys for watching my video, and I hope you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you have any question for myself, for my channel, you just put your comment below. And thank you very much again, and see you next video. See ya.